Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 58. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and double click on the part template. And we have the empty part template open. Let's go to the sketch and start doing the sketch. In this case, we will do it on the right plane. And we'll start doing the sketch by creating this rectangle here. So let's go ahead and create a rectangle. In this case, I will prefer to do a centered rectangle. So I've drawn a rectangle there. Now let's dimension it. That is 130 by, the height is 170. Now let's exit the sketch now. And we'll go for features, extrude boss and base. The thickness is 25. So in this case, we'll give, let's give 25. Or 12.5 on both sides will also do. Tick mark. It's done. Now we have to create this holes here, right? So let's go and click on the one of the surface there and click on sketch, and let's draw one circle. And now let's dimension the circle. The hole will be of diameter how much? 25. So we'll give 25 here, and it's placed at a distance of, we'll just give the distance from the origin here. So that is 86 by 2. And vertically it is at a distance of 126 divided by 2. Oops, man. Smart dimension. 126 by 2. Alright, now it's fully constrained. Now let's draw two center lines, one towards this and another one in this direction. Now let's select the already created circle here, and let's go for mirror entities and a mirror about this axis here. Click on the tick mark. And now let's select both of these circles and go for mirror entities and select the mirror about as this axis here. Click on the tick mark. Now we have 4 circles created. Now we can exit the sketch here and go for features and extruded cut. That will be up to next here. Click on the tick mark, and we have that done as well. Now the next thing to do is to create these circles here, right? So to create that circle, before creating that, I think I would prefer to do these two circles here. So the length of the circle, or this is 25. Okay, this is 60 here, right? So let's select this face right here and click on the sketch. And let's simply create two concentric circles, 1 and 2. Let's give smart dimension. That'll be of dimension how much? Diameter 60, and one will be of diameter 60, the other one will be of diameter 30, right? Yeah, and that is situated at a distance of how much? 235. So that'll be 235 by 2, and this center and this origin will be vertically in the same line. Now we have that done as well. Now what we can do next will be to create a kind of tangency relation over there. So for that, I'll just create an arc here, and now I'll place the arc coincident on these 2 points, and now I'll just give tangency relation over here, tick mark, and also tangency relation over here. Good. Okay, now that is of radius 10, so I'll just give that as well, radius 10. Alright, now I'll create an axis line here and select that particular entity there. Go for mirror entities and select this mirror about and click on the tick mark. Now finally, I'll draw another line horizontally and just trim this portion here and trim all the unwanted things. And now I'll exit the sketch. I'll go for features, extrude boss and base in the reverse direction, and that'll be of 60 as it's mentioned in the drawing. Oops, it's not given. Now I'll go for edit features and go ahead and give 60 here. Alright, now we have that 60 done. So the thing that I'm facing here and the problem that I'm seeing here is that we cannot directly give 60 there. As you can see, this part is not completely extended. So that's pretty simple. You can just go for edit features and give the thickness as 25. And now what you can do is select this face here and go for the sketch, and this time just select these two and go for convert entities. And now you can go for just create a center line here, and you can give extend entities and extend this and extend this portion as well. Sorry, extend this. Alright, just forget about this. I'll delete this and I'll go for a circle and just draw a circle above this. That's done, right? Now we can exit the sketch now and then go for extrude boss and base, and this length will be 60 minus 25, right? So that is 60 minus 25. Now we have that done as well over there. Now we can simply select these two, extrude boss and base, and then you can go for mirror over here, and then you can take the mirroring plane as top plane, maybe. Yeah, the top plane. Click on the tick mark. Now we have that done as well, right? Now finally what we're going to do is to create this portion here, right? So to create that, we'll select this face here and go for the sketch. We'll simply draw a rectangle, a corner rectangle. You can simply draw it downwards. Okay, now I'll just draw another center line that is starting from the center to the center. I'll simply select these two lines here and this axis line. I'll go for symmetric, click on the tick mark, and the thickness here is 25, so I'll give 25 here. Alright, now also finally I'll just select this edge here and go for convert entities and do the trim to trim all this unwanted portions here. Right, also give convert entities here as well and use a trim to trim this unwanted portions. Right, now we have given 25 here. No, it's gone, so we'll just define that 25 once again. tick mark. Now we have that fully constrained, but we have a little bit of problems here, so I'll just remove that line as well. Now we have a fully closed loop here, so I'll just exit the sketch now, and then you can go for features, extrude boss and base. Now extrude boss and base, I'll extrude it till this 25, this 55, right? So I'll just extend till 55. As you can see, it's 55 here, and I'll click on the tick mark here. Now we have that, right? I'll select this face and click on the sketch. Now what I would do is I'll just draw from the center, I'll draw a circle, and then I would give 55, that is 110, and what I would do is select this line here, convert entities, and select that line and make it as for construction. I'll simply draw a line from here to here, and then use tangency relation over here to make it tangent. I'll just simply trim this portion off, right? Now select the line to take these portions and then trim all the unwanted portions. Yep. Now we have that done, right? Now exit the sketch. Now you can simply use the extruded cut to extrude that portion up to next, right? Tick mark. Now we have that done over there. Now similarly, select that cut extrude. Now you can simply go for mirror and just mirror it with respect to the top plane. Click on the tick mark, and we have that done on the other side as well. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's a t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at ketia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.